Hi folks, it's June here. I visited our local farmer's market and picked up some seasonal fruits and vegetables for a meal prep.
Radish, rhubarb, kale, asparagus,
That's a difficult one.
lettuce.
My work has gotten very busy of late, so I find having a couple of dishes on hand essential. I also want to focus on cooking healthy meals, which means complex carbs, lots of vegetables, and some lean protein. For the first dish, we will need asparagus, tempeh, orange juice, miso paste, sesame oil, balsamic vinegar, and maple syrup. Steam the tempeh over 2 inches of boiling water for 10 minutes. Soak the tempeh in the prepared marinade for at least 30 minutes. Bake at 400 degrees for 7 minutes on each side. Rinse and drain about 3 cups of quinoa. For 3 cups of quinoa, you will need 6 cups of water. Add a pinch of salt and cook for 15 minutes. Fluff with a fork once done. We will need 3 stalks of chopped rhubarb and 6 tablespoons of honey. Bring the rhubarb to a boil with a little bit of water. Then add honey and cook for about 20 minutes until it has jam-like consistency. We will need 1 kale chopped, 2 cans of chickpeas, 1 big onion minced, 2 tomatoes, minced garlic, chili pepper, turmeric, salt, coriander, cumin, and mustard seeds. Heat up the oil in a pot. Add cumin and mustard seeds and let them crackle. Add the onion in and cook for about 10 minutes until lightly brown. Now for some garlic. Add the tomatoes. Next go spices. Then chickpeas. Add 2 cups of water. Cook for about 5 minutes. At the end, add the chopped kale and cook for another 5 minutes. I have some romaine lettuce here, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, green onions, and radishes. Other ingredients are pre-cooked shrimps, lime juice, olive oil, red chili flakes, salt, sugar, and some butter in case you have raw shrimps. Mix the lime juice with olive oil, red chili flakes, salt and sugar, and give it a good shake. We will use the dressing as the bottom layer of this mason jar salad. The next layer will be non-absorbent vegetables like cherry tomatoes. Next in are the absorbent vegetables, in my case chopped cucumbers, radish, and green onions. Then we have the protein, in this case shrimps. They should be cooled, not hot ideally. Last in goes the salad. This can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. And there you have it, my seasonal meal prep for the week. I also soaked about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to use in a rhubarb strawberry milkshake. For the milkshake, mix 3 tablespoons of rhubarb with some strawberries, rose water, maple syrup, and yogurt. Add some cold water and ice and blend it. Top it up with some chopped pistachios and enjoy. A perfect snack for a hot day. The rest of the meal prep can be combined into one dish. My husband found the tempeh a little too bland and fried some bacon to go with it. Turned out actually good and paired well with the asparagus. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next month's seasonal meal prep.